Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Capricorn. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. And I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading coming up right after this general energy. So if you are interested to watch that, you can go ahead, guys. So that will follow the general reading. Capricorn. So we have 5 of Swords, the Emperor, and King of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, Capricorn, you are a person who has a particular view about certain things. You have your own ideals and your own path to uh, deal with your situation. So you have your own ideas and you are a person who works with great diligence and authority, and you have those leadership qualities. You guide people and you have that deep knowledge about your situation. So maybe what is the right way to go about in any circumstance. So you have that confidence, knowledge, and uh, you are a person who is in an important position in your career, maybe, guys. And today, in your situation, maybe it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, there you have a particular way of dealing your situation we were speaking about. So maybe the people around you, they are seeing you as someone who is what to say, abusing their power or their position. So maybe because of the position you occupy in your work situation, or even in this relationship, this person would have depended on you in some ways, but today they are seeing you as someone who is quite severe and whom they cannot tolerate anymore. So they feel that you are intolerable today, guys. So some kind of your views or their views are different, and they may see you as a very rigid and a stubborn person. So some kind of difficulties, maybe you are making some decisions and they do not like those decisions, or they do not share your viewpoints, difference of opinions, maybe, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 8 of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, maybe for some of you, you are taking them out, maybe having a great time going out for a dinner or a party, trying to make up this differences or whatever troubles you have in your love situation, guys. So you are what to say, bridging that gap, trying to bridge that gap you both have between each other, Capricorn. So that is what I see with this card. For your career situation, we have 6 of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with this card in your career situation, guys, there are people who are quite jealous of you because of the way you are in your life. You are a really successful person and you are a very knowledgeable person. That may be the reason people come to you for guidance and support, and you occupy an important position in life and in your career also. So that may make people jealous in some ways, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For that fairy tale, pick a card, love reading, you can stay tuned. That is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful and protective. So this may be your story, guys. So you help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination, and maybe people around you, it may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you, it may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they have, and have that what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So you are courageous, you have that willpower strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.